12:23 on this Tuesday. A little mini warm stretch we're in here too for the next couple of days, and a little more humidity in the air. Should stay mainly dry the next day or two through today and tomorrow. The next cold front, though, due in Thursday night. I think Thursday overall will be a very warm day, up in the 80s, maybe some places around 90 degrees or so. But by Thursday night, when you're going to bed, probably a cold front rolling in, and then much cooler by the time you wake up on Friday and for next weekend. Temperatures will be coldest, I think, on Friday, but turn out pretty nice this weekend, kind of like it was last weekend, where it was fairly sunny and fairly comfortable. But temperatures in the 80s now. We're at 86 in Weslaco, 84 in Brownsville, 88 in McAllen. And some areas may go over 90 degrees today in the Upper Valley, but not too windy today. Wind speeds about 15 miles per hour, give or take a little bit in some areas. 14 it shows there, and I think just a light breeze today. But the humidity kind of creeping its way up. The muggy meter, which we show you sometimes, over the weekend, last weekend, we had the humidity and the dew points way down, but now the number here is 69, the dew point going back up. It's getting close to that very humid category. In fact, even around Brownsville and near the coast, it's already back up there. So it is getting a little more sticky, which means it won't be too cool at night. The next couple of nights may not get below 70 in some areas. But when we look at the satellite radar, a lot of patches of high clouds coming through, but if you look out the window, they're not building up into anything too thick to cause rain. There's still a small chance you might see a shower or two come in or build up this afternoon, but I think most areas will stay dry. What few showers there are a good 50 or 60 miles or so offshore, and most of them staying out there. Now, Future Track does show a pretty quiet day overall. By 2 p.m., it tries to show 1 or 2 little showers popping up and moving west, and even a couple more near the coast. But again, you see how this afternoon most areas are projected to be dry and kind of just partly sunny. By tonight, a dry night with mostly clear or partly cloudy skies. Could see some more clouds again towards sunrise. And then tomorrow may cloud up a little more during the day, but still, even with maybe a few more clouds, it's probably still going to be well into the 80s and even near 90 in the Upper Valley. Then on Thursday, if you're making plans, remember, cold front's coming Thursday, but not until the evening. So see, if you have plans during the day, generally most of the morning should be dry, but as the afternoon progresses, the chances for a couple showers popping up gets higher, and then there could be some bigger showers and storms later in the evening and as the cold front comes in at night. So if you do have plans for Thursday evening, especially as we get toward 4 and 5 o'clock in the afternoon toward the evening hours, kind of watch out, because there could be a few heavier downpours and maybe a thunderstorm. And then once that front comes through, some lighter rains behind it on Friday, but with a chilly north wind blowing, it may be hard to warm up much on Friday. So we'll jump ahead. There's Thursday in the 80s to maybe near 90 degrees, and then watch how temperatures fall behind the front later Thursday night and Friday. So by the time you start the weekend on Friday morning, we're only in the 50s in the morning, and if the clouds stay thick enough, it may be hard to get out of the 60s during the day on Friday. Kind of a cool, breezy, kind of damp day, maybe some showers still around, but I think football plans will be dry in the evening, and any Friday night plans for all of you non-football fans. But around 20% chance for a shower today. Dina's on team football all the time, so 10% chance for a shower tomorrow. By Thursday afternoon, evening, the chances of rain start to really go up, and then we're talking about bigger chances of rain overnight into the evening and overnight hours on Thursday. 88 for a high today, maybe a spotty shower or two, but again, most areas look about like you see out your window right now, kind of partly sunny, dry, kind of on the humid side though. Tomorrow in the upper 80s again on Wednesday. Thursday still looking dry to start the day, but there could be some showers or storms later in the evening and at night. Friday, the best chance of rain in the morning as it gets cooler and breezy during the day. May not get much above the low 60s. And Saturday and Sunday look pretty nice. Dry during the day, temperatures in the 70s, cooler 50s in the morning. And then we could see some more thunderstorms or showers for the next front on Sunday night going into Veterans Day on Monday. Could be a little bit wet too. Well, that does it for me. It's time to say hola, amigas.